Here I'm picking out the beads that Mia doesn't need. Later I'm going to exchange them for school supplies. 13 beads to exchange. I'll keep them safe here. This is a 1-scoop order for Mia B from her mommy. She likes Cinnamoroll, Hello Kitty, and Kuromi. Her special request is for school supplies. Her favorite colors are pink and purple. Two canvas bags. Here I'm picking out the beads that Mia doesn't need. Later I'm going to exchange them for school supplies. 13 beads to exchange. I'll keep them safe here. 1 notebook. Plus 2 more. Four pens. Let's add these 2 blind box pens. Whoopsie, missed a memo pad bead. 3 mini notebooks. Plus 2 more. 1 clear pouch. Plus this cute little one with Mofusan dressed as Sanrio characters. 1 Taba squishy. One acrylic clip. A little sneak peek at the notes to myself. Let's exchange this Uno cards to a plush keychain. 1 bricks to a beaded charm. 1 scenery sticker to a plush pencil bag. 1 eye mask to a pencil case. 3 bracelets to 3 file folders. Plus 1 more. 2 stickers to 1 pencil set and 1 blind box mechanical pencil. 1 mini charm, 1 pin badge, and 1 hair clip to 3 erasers. Plus 2 more. 1 memo pad to 2 notebooks. This was such a fun challenge. I really hope you love everything I chose. Have an amazing school year, Mia. Thank you so much.